Guava leaves are extremely beneficial as they provide a wide range of health benefits. They are extremely high in healthy fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. These are 17 of the most important benefits of guava leaves. Boil guava leaves in some water, leave the solution to cool, and apply it on the scalp. While massaging it, this will stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. The tea of these leaves treats bronchitis and coughs. Guava leaves treat the itching caused by allergies. You should apply crushed guava leaf onto the affected area. The tea of guava leaves lowers LDL, bad, cholesterol, and at the same time does not affect HDL, good, cholesterol. This tea reduces blood sugar levels and is excellent in the case of diabetes, as it does not trigger the release of insulin. The tea is extremely effective in the case of fertility problems in men. These leaves can be used as an effective face scrub. Crush a few and add them to some water, and use them to naturally get rid of blackheads. Guava leaves tea has strong antimicrobial properties, so it treats diarrhea and dysentery. The application of crushed guava leaves on minor cuts like abrasion or scrapes will relieve them and prevent infections. You can treat an outer ear infection as well, by dropping some cool guava leaves tea on the affected area. Apply crushed guava leaves on the affected area to relieve insect bites. Guava leaves tea is believed to be able to treat enlarged prostate and cancer. The tea of guava leaves is high in vitamin C, so it treats acne and pimples. The tea of guava leaves provides a feeling of satiety, so it supports weight loss and prevents the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. These leaves efficiently treat dengue. You should boil 9 of them in 5 cups of water until the water is reduced to half. You should chew guava leaves and treat a toothache, sores in the oral cavity, and inflamed gums. Crush several guava leaves, and add them to some water. Then, use them as a facial scrub and prevent premature skin aging. The tea helps in the case of food poisoning and an upset stomach. Regarding all these uses of guava leaves, we advise you to start using their amazing properties immediately.